so we do the Sprite challenge no burping. So, and we'll drink to that there. Sprite is, oh, that's very fizzy. My eyes are already in. And, I'm gonna do it. So, speed this up. Quiz, some toilet roll. After this, we're going to do a really big video today for me. I hope it gets big. I'll see you in a minute. I'm the real cool condition. Full, right. Right, see, yep.